The instruction of the ECG function. Step 1. Download the Joytech app from the App Store and sign up. Step 2. Switch to ECG mode. And then hold the main button until you see blue flash. Step 3. Device connection via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Method 1. Connect to Bluetooth. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and follow the prompts. Then press the Start, Stop button twice. You'll see Bluetooth appear on the display. Method 2. Connect with Wi-Fi. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and follow the prompts. Then press the Start, Stop button twice. You'll see Wi-Fi appear on the display. Step 4. Put 2 fingers on the electrode sheet. Then the measurement starts. Please remain still and do not speak during the measurement until the 30-second countdown is complete. Finally, you can view the report in the app or save and send it to your doctor.